Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do really delicious recipes from around the world. Today, as you can see, we are doing my favorite breakfast. I love this. It's bagel sandwich. Okay, it's so delicious. My daughter actually first did it and it's so delicious. So I want to just teach you how I do this. It's so lovely. So come along with me and let's do this lovely recipe. So guys, it's a quick one. I put my bacon in the oven, okay, and then the next bit is my bagel. All right, it's lovely and it's so delicious. So I cut it into two and then I put it in the toaster to toast it. So guys, I add some cream cheese to it. You know I love cream cheese, all right, but you can omit this if you don't like cheese. You can add anything to it. Okay, so yeah, I love cream cheese, so I just put some cream cheese in before I add the other ingredients. So guys, as you can see, it's easy. I like to add some sauces, so this is just ketchup to give it that sweetness, and also I add some mayonnaise. Guys, it's lovely. You can omit this, but trust me, if you add these two together, it gives it a lovely taste. So delicious. So guys, if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Share this, it's so lovely, and try it. Bye.